Arista is an internal flat-sheet material with decorative purpose, which is composed of particular acrylic resin mixtures, and thanks to its pearlescent pigments, appears differently under light and shadow and gives colorful and shiny effects. It is used together with its priming in the interior walls of the buildings, plastering, root concrete, and wood after the surface preparation. Application of Arista pearlescent decorative paint is implemented by applying the Arista pearlescent decorative paint after Sandeco multi-base is applied to the surfaces, whose interior surface preparation has been completed. Firstly, Sandeco multi-base is applied to the surface during application of Arista pearlescent decorative paint. Multi-base can be used in white as its own color, or in Arista color to be used on the last coat, or as colorized in a close tone to it. In both situations, it has to be thinned at a rate of 20 to 25% with water and mixed very well. If the application shall be implemented with a different color on a small part together with the main color, the application must be started from this small part. We are going to use colorized multi-base on this small part. The application part must be surrounded appropriately by masking band. Multi-base is applied optionally as 1 or 2 coats by short-haired roller or brush. When 2 coats are applied, you should wait at least 4 hours at room temperature between the coats. After multi-base application is finished on the small part, application of the bigger part takes start. For this bigger part, we are going to use multi-base on its own color, namely white. Multi-base in its own color should be applied by brush for places in which short-haired roller and roller cannot reach. The consumption is 125 to 150 grams, according to surface smoothness and application techniques. The application should be implemented as homogeneous without any roller trace left on. After multi-base application is finished for the entire surface, the surface should be left to drying. The complete drying time is 24 hours at room temperature. After complete drying is provided, application of Arista pearlescent decorative paint takes start. It's better to start the application from the small part, which is in different color. The application of small part must be done with a small roller and flat brush. And right after that, the desired pattern should be created while the product is still wet. To create pattern, special effect tampons are used. The tampons should be dampened by water before being used. The desired pattern should be formed by making soft touches to the surface. After the finishing of part, in which Arista was applied in different color, application of the bigger part with the other color takes start. Lambskin paint roller and brush must be used during bigger area application. It's better to make the application by two persons in order to prevent the drying of the product. While one of them applies the product to the surface by roller homogeneously, the other should give the desired pattern to the product applied places with special effect tampon. Attention must be paid to the product for not getting dry. The special effect tampon should not be overpressed to the surface. The consumption is 100 to 150 grams per quadrat meter, according to the surface smoothness and application techniques. After Arista application is finished for the whole area, the surface must be left for drying. The complete drying period is 24 hours at room temperature.